Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Visual Studio with the NET desktop workload and VB. NET enabled. Once installed, open Visual Studio and sign in if prompted. This syncs settings. Next, click Create a new project and filter by Visual Basic to save time. Choose a Windows Forms app or WPF app depending on interface needs, name the project, and set location. This gets you into the IDE quickly, so you can see Solution Explorer, Designer, and Properties, essential panels you will use immediately. Once the project loads, design your UI by dragging controls onto the form and configuring properties in the Properties pane. This shapes behavior and accessibility. Then double-click a control to generate its click event handler and write VB. NET logic. Keep methods small and name controls logically for readability. Make sure to build often. Press Ctrl+Shift+B to compile and catch errors early. Use Solution Explorer to add files or references, because organizing code into modules and classes prevents spaghetti code and speed. You finalize by running with F5 to debug. Set breakpoints and use watch and immediate windows to inspect variables, because stepping through reveals logic bugs. Once stable, publish via Build Publish and choose Click Once or create an installer for distribution. Make sure target framework and platform match your users. If something goes wrong, consult the error list and output. Fix errors one at a time and rebuild. A key tip: if a control name mismatch breaks code, check the designer file and restore the correct control names before rebuilding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.